So, if you've been using AI to write a quick email or maybe outline a blog post, you are barely, and I mean barely, scratching the surface of what's possible. Today, we are going to go way beyond the basic chatbot and build something so much more powerful.
Yeah, that's the common idea, right? That AI is just for students or marketers trying to save a little time. Well, we're here to completely shatter that perception because what's possible now, it's just so much bigger. I'm talking about building a complete toolkit, your own personal writing assistant, a full-on design studio, and a productivity engine that just runs in the background. And the best part? You can do all of this without spending a single dime. So let's get into it.
All right, here's the game plan. We're going to build out our toolkit in three main parts. First, the writing assistant, to get those words perfect. Second, the design studio, for incredible visuals. And third, an automation engine, to make it all work together seamlessly. Then, we'll connect all the dots and show you how a real project comes to life. First things first, let's build your AI writing assistant. This is the part of your toolkit that helps you conquer that dreaded blank page, sharpens your ideas, and helps you turn out really high-quality text in a fraction of the time it used to take. So let's stock this writing toolkit. Think of Writer as your blueprint builder. It's got structured templates for when you just don't know where to start. Then you've got Grammarly Go, which is like your personal editor, but it does way more than just fix typos. It actually refines your tone and clarity. And when you just need pure speed, Copy.ai is your sprinter, generating all kinds of marketing copy in just a few seconds. Okay, but check this out. Here is a total game changer, Google's Notebook LM. This is not just about writing, it's about understanding. You feed it all your research, your PDFs, articles, you can even use YouTube transcripts, and it becomes an expert on your material. It'll summarize everything, create FAQs, and even answer questions with direct citations from your own sources. And this is where the power of it really clicks into place. Imagine taking all those dense research notes, uploading them, and getting back a custom 20-minute podcast that just explains the key concepts back to you. I mean, suddenly your research is something you can just listen to on your drive to work. It's an absolutely incredible way to master complex info. All right, let's move on to the second department in our toolkit, the AI Design Studio. This is where we stop hunting for stock photos and start creating custom, professional-looking visuals and videos, even if you've never, ever opened a design program in your entire life. So for our visual toolkit, Canva AI is your go-to all-rounder. You can create on-brand graphics with just a simple text prompt. Now, if you need something totally original and artistic, Leonardo AI gives you free access to these stunning, really high-quality image models. And for video, Lumen 5 is like a secret weapon. You feed it a blog post and it automatically generates a slick, shareable video. It's amazing. Now, what's really interesting is that all these different image generators are good at different things. A comparison from Mashable found that ChatGPT is probably the best all-rounder, especially when you want to edit an image using just text commands. Midjourney, on the other hand, is the specialist. It is incredible at creating specific artistic styles like a sketch or a painting. And Gemini, well, it wins on convenience because it's already built right into the Google tools you're probably using every day. All right, so we've got our words, we've got our visuals. Now it's time for the third department, the AI automation engine. This is the real powerhouse that connects all your tools, handles all those repetitive tasks, and basically acts as a true co-pilot for your entire workflow. To get this engine running, think of Zapier AI as kind of the universal translator. It connects thousands of apps you already use. Then you have these amazing tools like Glyph, which let you actually chain different AIs together. So you can have one AI write a prompt and another one turn it into an image, all automatically. For even more complex stuff, Mind Studio lets you build these really powerful, deeply integrated workflows. So what does this Copilot idea really look like in practice? Well, Matt Wolf showed this incredible example where he used Google AI Studio's free screen sharing feature to act as his personal data analyst. The AI literally watched his screen, analyzed his YouTube analytics in real time, and gave him concrete advice on what videos he should make next to grow his channel. That's automation and real-time help all rolled into one. So we've built the departments. We've got all the individual tools. Now for the most critical part, actually assembling your workflow. This is where the true power of this whole toolkit gets unleashed. When you start stacking these tools together to take a project from just a simple idea to a fully finished product. Okay, so let's walk through a real-world example. Imagine you're a content creator. Step 1. You use Perplexity for your research and you get a concise, sourced answer almost instantly. Step 2. You take that research and feed it to copy.ai, which drops a whole script for you. Step 3. Canva AI then creates custom graphics based on that script. And finally, Step 4. Lumen 5 takes everything and assembles it all into an awesome, engaging video. 4 free tools, 1 seamless workflow, from a spark of an idea to a finished product. You know, the big takeaway here is actually pretty profound. These kinds of advanced capabilities, they used to be reserved for huge corporations with massive budgets, but now they're available to everyone. AI has completely leveled the playing field, giving anyone with an idea the tools to bring it to life. But, and this might be the most important rule of all, you have to remember that AI is your co-pilot, not the pilot. It's here to help you, to assist you, to accelerate your work, but it is not here to replace your judgment. Your critical thinking, your unique voice, your oversight, that's what makes the final products truly valuable. So there you have it. The components are on the table, the departments are built, and your free AI toolkit is fully assembled and ready to go. The only question left is, what are you going to build first?